Ah!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So our content for today is roll the dice up or down. Sige, first.
1, 2. Next.
Down.
Up or down?
Up!
Oh, sige, go.
Siyempre! Alam!
May,
One.
harinaw ta ka.
Malapit na.
Ano man?
Ikaw boy.
Sige, boy, up or down?
Oh. Siyempre, up.
No.
Ay, up niyo. Ay, sagaw. Nahugi ate.
Tunta to.
Alam,
Ah,
1.
1.
Hala, 50.
Wala.
Dili ba to?
Dia.
Dia.
Ay!
Duster, up or down?
Up, uy.
Silapas.
Dili ba to no?
1, 2.
Silapas man. Sige, up or down, Tan?
Up.
Ah! Ala, 4 yun.
1, 2, 3.
4!
Balik.
Flower.
Ah, sige. Up or down? Sige. Ah, marunong ka. Yan.
Kasi, uy.
Ah,
Ay,
da.
4.
Marunong man sa pamatasan.
3, 4.
Lapit!
Lapit! Down! 1, 3 Aaron. 3. Hala, 3.
Wag mo, lapas mo.
Tapos nga po.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ang swerte mo naman. Dong,
Del! Ay, Del. Jay, up or down?
Up!
Go. Hoy!
6!
6.
Okay.
Ato di ikot.
Dapat.
Yap.
Down.
1.
Dala pa, 1!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6.
Ikaw, di na tama
5, 6.
pag-sikwinta
Up
ka.
or down?
Up!
Ay, what's up?
1 day.
Up!
Two.
Question.
Ay, makamot na raya. Question.
No coaching ha.
Oh my God!
The devotion of time and attention to acquire knowledge on an academic subject, especially by means of books. The devotion of time and attention to acquire knowledge on an academic subject, especially by means of books. 5.
Subject!
Next player, please.
Wala.
Rolling.
Up!
Oh, anak ka, ma'am.
Boy.
3.
3. 1.
Ala, pero...
1, 2.
So, kanina
Balik ka tari. Ayaw. Down niya.
Tigo.
Down ka ha?
Da, marok man.
Count.
Dito ya.
1, 2.
1.
Ah, okay. Next player, please.
Down.
Down. Sige, go. May pangita ang 1 daw. Tanong sa kamar ko sa Dester. Ah, to! Nilapas.
1.
Up or down, Kit? Ay, kisa ba?
Ano po eh?
Up or down, Tan?
Up.
Go.
Igunitan. Uno.
Oh, 5.
Count.
Diya to.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
So, same question. The devotion of time... The devotion of time and attention to acquire knowledge on an academic subject, especially by means of books. Correct.
Safe.
Ang answer ni Jake, 6 shoe.
Up or down?
Okay na, kay 5-6 na ba?
Subject.
Kaya pala 1, 2, 3, 4.
Up, oh! Wala, hapit to. 1, 2, 3. Sakot lagi. Up or down?
Up.
Okay, go. Ah!
Ginoo ko.
Malas ka
1, 2, 3.
Sige, up or down, Jay?
Up or down? Down. Up. Down na.
Down na. Naingon na.
Ano? Oh, may flower. Oh, may flower.
Down lagi down. Up pati ay. Down.
Down na yung gingon. 5 na flower.
5.
Ano pa tayo?
1.
Ah, oy! Down lagi!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Happy.
Kapit.
6 ba to?
Kapit.
Kapit makwan. Flower.
Up or down?
Up ka, may flower.
Oy!
Ano po?
Ay, balik. 1.
Oy!
Sige, go.
Balik.
Up. Sige, ma'am. Yap,
Ay,
up, ma'am.
Ay!
Oh!
Boy, lapas.
1, 2. Wala! 200!
Sakto.
Sakto. Ala pa tayo gito. Sige, next. The question is, Means being nervous or reserved around other people, especially in a social situation. When you are nervous. When you are nervous or reserved around other people. Kana makulbaan ka kung nailang tao. Sa tawagin mo? You are S. 5.
Shocking. Shock.
Final answer.
Shock.
Sensitive.
Wrong ma'am. Wrong na ma'am.
Ikaw sa Lord Gaw.
Up or down?
Down kuya, down.
Here you go.
4.
1, 2, 3. Balik. Dili. Dito sa pikas. Sige, next player please.
Down.
Sige, next. Down? Sige, go. Puro agad ang tagalokbon.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, up, sayo. Una sa 200.
Balik.
Una sa 200. Oh, sige, 1, 2, 3. Correct. Sige.
Dili ka magbawi hap no?
Hoy, kung uyap mo ay pagsugod sa katong giasagikan, ana ba? Sige, up or down? Up. Yung 1 ng 200, no?
Ay, grabe.
1. 2. Di ba naman? Oh. Up or down, Kit? Up. Awa guys, usa ka maro sa Casey guys.
Kusga.
Iyang gikuha ng 1 daan. Marisi. 1, 2, 3. Up or down. Good. Nalaging ko. Hello. Asa mo to? Sakto.
200. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, what do you call when you are nervous or being nervous and reserve around other people? Kung na yung mga tao, makulbaan ka, unsa ka? S, 5.
Sunburn.
4.
Sunburn.
3. Wrong, next one.
Sayang na sayang.
Kotse ka man ganun bro.
Pero kutsing niya.
Palagi ka na no.
Dito tingnan doon, kaya makasave ka no.
Kanino?
Sige Jay, 5, 6.
Ano itong down yan, no?
Up or down?
Up. Arin, up. Up.
Atong up. Atong
Up
down.
ako ya, up.
Sige, go.
Whoop.
2.
2.20.
Sige. Up or down?
Ay, ala, 1.
Up or down?
Up.
Sige. Maroon lagi ka ma'am, no? Nagkamaroon na lagi ka ma'am. Bisa na tuonin mo ma'am.
Sa isip, dahan-dahan, pagkat. 1, up ya, up.
Go. Da.
Di naman ito, no?
Oh.
5 man na siya, go. Isa, go. Usa,
1.
2, 3, 4. Upat ka sa...
5, uy.
Pinauno mo eh. Hindi kayo magtuod, go.
Up or down?
Down.
Correct. Sige, go.
Patay sa away.
Awa na, naingon na.
Lang.
Hindi pa rin balik ya.
Hindi na pwede.
Maro lagi mo.
Oh, magkikilabay sa mong ex.
Ay!
1, 2.
Ilabay ko ni. Ilabay na ka, para wala tayo pa duwa.
Sige, up or down, Tan?
Down.
Asa mag-yun? Down na yung no?
Ay!
Ano, 200?
Wa. Asa 1 2 3 4 5.
Okay. Up or down?
Boom, boom.
Sige, go. Down na to kay 1 ra. Makita sa kamaro. Sige. Awan ninyo, guys.
Ay!
Ah! Up or down?
Down. Wala gyud ang question.
Oh. Sorry, alo. Balik na gyapon.
Dili mo to.
Oh, di oy. Ito, di man. Up or down? Ay.
Up.
Okay.
Malagkon.
4. Balik. Up or down?
Up. 6.
1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sunburn.
Sige, what do you call when you are nervous or being nervous or reserved around other people?
Shy.
You are shy.
Sara na.
Sama pa say? Shy di ngam tudaki.
Lucky.
Up
Up or down?
Up. Up daw.
Sige tang up.
Up. Dili up.
Forward.
Dito sa isa.
Up. Up.
Sige, go ma'am. Sige ma'am, go na ma'am.
Ay!
1,
2.
Pwede dyan. Alay!
Pwede, pero nasa ng question.
Si ako po nagluya. 1, 2.
So, siguro
Up ya, up.
Go. Awa ka maro smaki guys ha. Tanaw.
Sorry.
Asa ba?
2. Diri mo to. Ay, dai. Diri.
Ala.
Pimentos, go.
Question kay, is a small building or covered place which is made to protect people from bad weather or danger. Is a small building or covered place which is made to protect people. Oh, it's a small building or covered place which is made to protect people from bad weather or danger. Letter S. 5.
Slaughterhouse?
Oh, next player, please.
Ano ba, kuya? Ayo!
Dili, oy.
Dili pa na.
Di na. Up or down? Back. Oh, back.
Apoy! Ah! Basta na maghihap.
Pero,
1, 2, 3.
4.
ay.
Arena? Ah, sige, it's a small building or covered place which is made to protect people from bad weather or danger.
Ito kila na yaw eh.
Kailan man?
Tuki.
Tuki?
Shelter eh. Wala lagi ko na tuki eh.
Go. Ah, 6. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Question kay, to hit someone or something with the flat part of the hand or other flat object. Letter S. Correct. Slap. Up or down?
1, 1. 1.
Ay! 1, 2. Ah, wala.
Wala eh.
Wala. 2, 3.
Dalawa yaw. Labo.
Reklamo kita. Uy.
Next player, please. Up or down?
Up na lang, kalayo naman sa down.
There you go. Alo, Marunong na paloy, eh. The question is, each of the small, thin, horny, or bony plates protecting the skin of the fish and reptiles, typically overlapping with one another.
Hindi siya sa English.
In English, 5,
Kailangan kuan.
4.
Skin.
Wrong. Next player.
Ay, sa English.
Silik.
Go. 6. 1. Hello, 100.
5, 6.
Up or down?
Hi! 1. Sige, up. Nabubot lagi si kuya mo. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ay! Kaya ako nagmawanig. Ahak yun.
Awan din na, ma'am.
Aroma 1 lagi.
Ato!
Tapos. 1, 2.
Okay, next player, please.
Up tagaw.
Ano na, muta na ha?
Up.
Sige, dala mo up muta na.
Patay taasa gaw. Dili mo tunog.
Dala, oy.
Atras ka ba? Atras ka gusto.
Atras gamay.
Wala. Sige, 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, next player, please.
1, 2, 3. Nitin ani ya?
Na.
Ay!
Wala.
Sas!
Sige, next player, please.
Hoy!
Hello! Lapas man.
Lapas pagid.
Next player, please.
Upside down. Taasa ba na kisi?
Look, 5. Up, Florida.
Ihap.
1, 2, 3, 4. Tubaga.
Ay, kaya kay Wanda.
Sumasagi naman sa isip ko. Motok-motokit. Up, up.
Gig.
Ah!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, the question is, each of the small, thin, horny, or bony plates protecting the skin of the fish and reptiles.
Scales.
Correct? That's it, Pansit!